Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Mystic back with another video. The camera should be looking a bit more crisp now, I sorted it out. And yeah, we're back with a banger today. Of course, we're starting off on Twitter, go follow me, is that Mystic, all my socials are below. Also on my YouTube, my most viewed video was about the MOBY airdrop. This was 6 months ago to this day, and I got 1.3 thousand views. And guess what happened 5 days ago? As you can see here, MOBY has now boosted the referrals so you can get your airdrop quicker. So the number one thing people were complaining about with this MOBY airdrop was it's good, but it's taking too slow. You know, you had to. It was weird in a way that you didn't have to invest money to get your airdrop, but to get your airdrop you had to trade on MOBY or use a referral program, and both can work together. And you know, you get your MOBY in points from trading and referrals, and eventually you'll unlock your airdrop. Now that airdrop today is worth around $160, 160 to 200 in that range. And I still haven't claimed mine yet. I'm going to be fully transparent. I did reach out to MOBY ages ago and asked for this to happen, to boost the rewards and to be able to get the airdrop quicker for people. And they did say that they were releasing an update, but this was months ago. I kind of forgot about MOBY. This is my airdrop right now. I have $70 worth in it. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I have $70. I'm nearly halfway there. And yeah, I've traded on MOBY a little bit. It's a good platform, but yeah, the number one complaint was it's taking too long. And yeah, I got a video at 1.3 thousand views, and I still didn't unlock the airdrop. Now I'm not going to complain too much because they fixed it now, and at the end of the day, free money is free money. And there's other airdrops where you're required to I don't know, you can't complain too much. I'm just happy that they fixed it. I wasn't going to come on here and complain about it. It just is what it is at the end of the day. But they heard the feedback from the community, they listen to everybody, and they fix it. So if you're watching this MOBY, which you're probably not, big props to you. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here and say that they have supercharged the rewards to get the airdrop. They boosted it, so just for people who see my last video a couple of months ago, maybe they want an update, and they want to see this will be beneficial for yous or anybody who wants to farm this airdrop. Download the MOBY app today. You go to their Twitter, always go to the official Twitter, click the link in their Twitter, and boom, you'll be brought to this. And then just download the app, start trading on it. You can refer your friends too. And yeah, it's a solid platform, really good mobile app. And yeah, go get yourself an airdrop. Obviously back in the day, look, the airdrop was worth nearly $500, a little bit over $500. The MOBY token has dropped down since. Let me check actually how much it has dropped. CMC, okay, it's in a little bit, but here we go. It should be jeez, it dropped a good bit, I'd say. Obviously that's from people claiming their airdrop and such. So let me check where the price was 6 months ago and where it is now. But oh yeah, damn, look at that. That's a big. So 6 months ago was around here. Damn, it was what? It was $1 at one stage. January 2025. That's crazy. Right now it's sitting at what, 7 cents? Not even, it's sitting at below 1 cent. Oh my days. But back a couple of months ago it was around this area. It was around 10 cents. And yeah, it's dropped a good bit since then. But at the end of the day, if you do unlock your airdrop, a lot of people who have been trading on the MOBY platform unlocked their airdrop, and a lot of selling pressures came through that. It still is a good app, and I still recommend using it. But yeah, at the end of the day, if you unlock it now, you will get around $160, I guess, around 170, maybe 200 if the price goes up a little bit. But that's it, boys. I just wanted to come on and say that I'm going to upload this video fairly quick, lash it up as they say, and on to the next video. I have a few more videos pre-recorded. I also want to jump on here, talk a bit about news. I started streaming on TikTok and posted on TikTok. I want to stream on YouTube, Kick, and Twitch, as well as TikTok at the same time. Just while I'm trading, looking for coins in the trenches. I want to do some updated videos on what's going on in the trenches, runners, why they've ran, etc, etc. But yeah, this is just the start. started this 6 months ago, and now I'm starting to ramp up the content. So yeah, much love. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. It's much appreciated, and so you can stay tapped in with the trenches and how to make money, not just with trading meme coins, but with airdrops and stuff. And yeah, really appreciate you tuning in. I've been Mystic Mac. Until the next time, peace out.